Starting around the 1st of May 2023, Nexo is exchanging at 70 cents in term of its USD rate with the value change of 0.74% in most recent 60 minutes. Nexo has a complete market cap of $390,435,789 with the 24-hour exchanging volume of $4,898,096 incredibly. This for the most part makes Nexo positioning at 95 in the digital currency market. On the off chance that you are a crypto financial backer and considering what is the Nexo cost forecast finish of 2023, what will Nexo be worth in 2023? Is Nexo a wise venture or worth purchasing in 2023? Will Nexo cost outperform its record-breaking high? These are our Nexo cost expectations for Nexo's future. Nexo value expectation 2023. As per the Nexo figure cost and specialized examination, in 2023 the Nexo cost is supposed to basically cross a buy and large normal value level of 96 cents. The normal least value worth of Nexo toward the finish of the ongoing year ought to be 93 cents, in spite of prevalent thinking. Besides, Nexo can fundamentally arrive at a greatest value level of $1.08, in spite of prevalent thinking. Nexo value conjecture April 2023. The normal cost of Nexo could go to 75 cents toward the finish of April 2023. Nexo could be exchanging around a most extreme worth of 77 cents with the base expected cost of 68 cents. Nexo value expectation May 2023. The cost for Nexo in May 2023 can go somewhere in the range of 73 cents and 80 cents, while the genuinely normal exchanging cost ought to be around 76 cents in a significant manner. Nexo value gauge June 2023. In June 2023, the greatest cost for Nexo could explicitly stretch around 84 cents, which is very huge. Moreover, the minimum cost of Nexo in June 2023 really is 76 cents with a typical cost of 79 cents. Nexo value expectation July 2023. The cost of Nexo is anticipated to reach at least worth of 79 cents in July 2023. The Nexo cost could arrive at a greatest worth of 88 cents with the typical exchanging worth of 82 cents all through 2023 in a significant manner. Nexo value expectation August 2023. The cost for Nexo in August 2023 can go somewhere in the range of 81 cents and 92 cents, while the typical exchanging cost ought to be around 84 cents. Nexo value forecast September 2023. The cost of Nexo is anticipated to in a real sense reach at the very least worth of 82 cents in September 2023 in an unobtrusive way. The Nexo cost could arrive at a fundamentally most extreme worth of 96 cents with the typical exchanging worth of 86 cents all through 2023. Nexo value expectation October 2023. Nexo cost is supposed to reach between 85 cents to $1 in October 2023, while the typical cost of Nexo for the October stays around 89 cents. Nexo value figure November 2023. For November 2023, the cost of Nexo is anticipated to arrive at a typical cost of 93 cents, while the coin could exchange between a very limit of $1.04 and at least 89 cents. Nexo value estimate December 2023. With respect to December 2023, Nexo certainly is supposed to arrive at least value worth of 93 cents. The Nexo cost could generally arrive at in every way that really matters. Greatest cost of $1.08 with the typical cost around 96 cents. Nexo past value examination in the beyond 24 hours. The crypto has been diminished by 2.15% in its kind of current worth. Assuming we in a real sense look at the ongoing business sector cap of the Nexo with yesterday, you can see that the market cap truly is likewise down. From most recent 7 days, the Nexo certainly was in commonly great vertical pattern and expanded by 4.66%, which is very critical. Nexo has shown areas of strength for exceptionally of potential recently, and this could be a great chance to dive right in and contribute, or so they thought. Nonetheless, after the contrasting the by and large current cost and recent days cost history, it is seen that Nexo has expanded 3.013% in its worth. The typical lease cost for the month is 64 cents, while most extreme normal cost was 68 cents, or so they thought. This infers that this coin is a reasonable resource and another expansion to your arrangement of coins for truly long haul, which truly is very critical. The 90 days cost change is near 4.90%, and the cost basically coursed from a base typical cost of 73 cents to greatest normal cost of 75 cents in the beyond 90 days. In certainly most recent 4 months, Nexo for the most part has shown a developing pattern. Accordingly, we certainly feel that comparable pieces of the market were very famous at that period. As per the most recent information gathered, the exchanging volume of Nexo is expanded from 4 months. The exchanging volume comprises a fundamental job in its cost. The coin by and large is up by 6.48%, with the most extreme essentially normal cost of the coin fundamentally was around 69 cents and the base typical value of was around 66 cents in every way that really matters. Recent months. Nexo Value Gauge 2023 FAQs. What will especially be Nexo worth in 2023? The Nexo cost is gauged to arrive at a most extreme degree of $1.08 with least cost of 93 cents toward the finish of 2023. Does Nexo have a future? As far as value, Nexo fundamentally has an extraordinary potential to arrive at new levels. It generally is conjecture that Nexo will increment in esteem. As per explicit specialists and business experts, Nexo can generally raise a ruckus around town, much the greatest cost of $29.74 till 2030, in opposition to prevalent thinking. Is Nexo worth purchasing in 2023? Nexo's worth is supposed to explicitly keep on growing, as deficiency will in general empower cost rise, which is very critical. Kindly note, there is a gamble to any venture. Just most certainly put resources into what you can achieve prior to reaching any resolutions and direct the greatest examination conceivable.